My name's Abby. This is my S13 Silvia. I got it about a year ago. Put a body kit on it, wrapped it. I like coming to these Cars and Coffee events. It's so fun to see friends that I haven't seen in a while and catch up on their builds and just see all the new cars and how everyone's been modifying them and just all the unique stuff that always tends to show out. I actually wrapped this GTS-T R33 as well. This is my friend Christopher's.
I'm Chris. This is my 93 Nissan Skyline GTS-T. Kind of just a street car right now. I'd like to do some track stuff with it later on, but just kind of fixing up stuff here and there, making it look nice and drive good.
My name's Cole Grove. This is my 1987 Toyota Corolla GT-V Levin. I come to Cars and Coffee just to kind of enjoy and see what everyone else is kind of doing in the community, get an idea of even just see what other customers that I deal with are, doing with their cars and that. For my Levin, I think the things I really have loved building was putting the engine together. Has been a huge fun. Outsourcing this bumper was a huge ordeal. Dealing with people from Ireland, getting everything shipped in, and then even just sourcing all the parts over time. Just having to find kind of those rare bits that you don't find in one day. It may take 3 or 4 months to find something, but then when you find it, you're just so happy it's there, and then it kind of completes this image that you have in your head already.